first place in basketball. Wait a minute, like magic.
10 streak of successful throws. Good job.
Why? Okay.
Good job, Amanda.
Wait, the one with the most ticket wins. Let's try Meteor Storm.
Okay.
Boom. There's no way.
How?
I think Cleo got me fast on this.
Cleo! It's unreal.
Bro. Oh man,
2,000? Why are they still getting to go? Man. I got above you. That's crazy. But you're still beating me overall. At least we're all doing better than Jake. We're ahead of G. This is fun though. Okay. Yeah, let's
try this one.
Okay.
Clowning around.
Clowning around. Do you like clowns?
Yeah. They're funny.
Yeah, they're funny looking.
Looks like I have to use my joystick for this.
I don't even know if I've gotten anything.
Oh. Rose resettled close.
How do you go up?
Oh. Higher aim.
Oh, yes, thanks. Whoa, you got so many points. That's awesome.
Wait, in Cleo.
$340.
Bro.
Third place.
I was so close for first.
Oh man, you were.
Let's try,
I don't think we've done any of these ones, yeah.
let's do, shooting stars. What the heck?
We have to keep it up now. Press L or R when you're ready. Where's L and R?
Oh. L or R.
Where's that?
It was the button under Z. No, it's doing me that I was going to place it at the screen. No. Have to
Okay, it's this
wait
one. It's this one. You have to push yours. Push yours right here. Do it again.
We almost got overlapped, so where's the sensor?
What can I say? Oh, you need to do it. I think you.
Oh. Must be the sensor. Something like that. Must be the sensor under the Joy-Con or
I
something.
don't know. Then it's not gonna work. Should we go back?
I don't know.
Maybe we just can't do this one. It won't let us do anything.
Oh, try home and go.
Ah!
Oh, my good. Just let's
Here.
press Z or something. Bro, mine almost got me.
Weird.
Okay, see which one.
It should let us like back out of it and then not just completely have to start all over again. It's weird. How do you feel about starting school again soon?
I'm still not sure about it.
Yeah. At least you have a few more weeks left.